Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Venmo app to confirm card verification safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Venmo app, begin by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you're using an Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Venmo. Press the search icon to display the results. Locate the Venmo app in the search results. It is typically marked with a blue logo featuring a white V. Tap on the Venmo app icon. On the app page, find the Install or Get button. For iPhone users, you may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID. For Android users, tap Install and accept any necessary permissions. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the Venmo app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. Upon opening, you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. You may be required to provide your phone number and email address. After creating your account, navigate to the settings within the app. In the settings, look for the card verification section. Add your debit or credit card information as prompted. Ensure that the information you enter is accurate. After entering your card details, Venmo will initiate the verification process. This process may take a few moments. Once verification is complete, you will receive a notification within the app. Make sure to keep your app updated for optimal security. Close the app after confirming successful card verification. Congratulations, you have safely downloaded the Venmo app and verified your card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.